that warm summer night.
Share. Hi, sir. Gusto niyo ba mag-coffee bean o gusto niyo lang lumabas? Kayo na. Ah, hindi niya tawag ka ni Lolo. Hey everyone! Good morning! Today is D-Day, day 0 of the countdown, the last final hours of me being single. Today is my wedding day. So today is May 25, 2025. It's 9 a.m. and I am here in Abagatan, T. Manila, waking up to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Tagaytay day. Oh my gosh, so this is how it feels like pala, no? Getting married. I'm just so happy and excited bigla. Grabe, very euphoric. So, I actually tried to vlog yesterday but I was so tired. Wala, ang baba talaga ng energy ko, guys. So, hindi ko kinaya. So, inuulit ko lang siya ngayon for you. I'll be showing you some clips of how yesterday went. Pero overall, it was very tiring. Parang we left Manila at around 2. We got here around 6. Sobrang traffic sa Tagaytay Road. Merong mga ginagawa. So parang it took us about an hour. Additional 1 hour because of that, traffic jam. Kasi parang ginawang one way yung isang part ng road eh. In any case, yun nga, we arrived 6, pahinga lang ng onte, settled in. And then at around 8, we had dinner. We originally wanted to take out, Ken's family and his mga pamangkin to breakfast at Antonio's. Kaso medyo malayo pala from here sa Abagatan, T. Manila. So we decided na dito na lang kami sa may Ferry Gray sa may Twin Lakes. So I'll be showing you some clips of that later on. And in the meantime, I'm just waiting for Ken to get dressed. Kasi naka-jammies pa siya. Pero we'll be having breakfast na. Alright. So, ayun lang guys. Time to prepare kasi at around 10:30 or 11, andito na yung...
Hi, tita!
Andito na
tita, Tita Eden.
yung makeup crew namin. So, yung
Parents
mga
ko,
mag-aayos.
mami, si daddy.
So, yun yung call time namin for today. So, ayun lang guys. Ikot-ikot lang ako ng onte. Paaraw lang. And then, breakfast ng kape. Ayan guys, I'll give you another room tour. I did one yesterday kaso wala talaga akong energy. Napanood ko yung clip. So, I'll do another one for you guys. So, this is by the way, the Balay Basit. This is the executive room here in here in Abagatan. So, ito yung nasa nila, parang cover page ng website nila. So, I'll show you how the room looks like guys. Good morning, baby. Good morning. So, this is the room, guys. Ayan. So, it's quite big. Actually, it's the biggest. It's biggest for 2 of us. So, dito muna tayo sa labas. So, meron siyang parang pond, as you can see. Ayan. Sorry, hindi na ako lalabas, guys, ha. So, ito yung pond. Ito yung parang porch niya. Ayan. Tapos, meron kayong parang area if you guys wanna eat outside. Medyo malamok lang. And then, there's a fridge. Yan, may mga usual tools, cups, what have you. And then, ito yung parang kitchen niya. And then, ito yung room namin. Hindi ko na ipakita, guys. Kasi, yan, dito kami nakasettled in since last night. And then, this is CR number 1. Room. Yan, maganda naman siya, guys. So, ayan siya. Sorry, medyo all settled in na kami. So, ayan. Shower head. CR. And then, ito yung second floor. So, yung second floor, by the way, I think this room can be used by more than, just 2 people. So, ito siya. Guys. So, ayun. So, yan. Kinuha na namin yung unan. Hindi kasi namin ma-turn on yung light, so hindi kami nagstay dito and we're afraid na si Daniel baka mahulog. Pero yan, may TV siya. May additional beds pa, guys, oh. And then, there's another aircon. Malamig bala, guys. The aircon is centralized. And then, this is CR number 2. Maganda rin siya. Sorry, ayan. So, ayun, guys. Overall, guys, executive feeling nga talaga siya. So, if you're gonna stay, I suggest you stay here dito sa executive room nila, Balay Basit. So, okay talaga siya for wedding preparations just like this one kasi, people can move around. So, later on, kain lang kami kasi baka, tomorrow is, tomorrow? Mamaya is marami ng tao dito, so we better have to prepare na. So, yun guys, Ken is all ready na, so we'll go ahead and have breakfast. See you guys in a bit. Mako. And then guys, ito yung restaurant area pala nila. Ang ganda talaga, guys. So this is Zida Kitchen and Cafe and Coffee. So, ayan siya, guys. So very, very aesthetic sa loob. Ganyan. Good morning, my lord. Ganyan. Ang gwapo naman itong anak ko today. Sino ka ba? Staff toy ka ba? Ha? Ang gwapo mo today. Binilog yung cut mo? Tingin ka naman dito, anak. Ganyan. Sigurado naman ang anak ko. Hey guys, done na kami mag-breakfast. So si Ken, he just went out for a quick gym. Time check, it's 9:30, so we're gonna be preparing na for hair and makeup. But in any case, guys, while I enjoy this coffee, so enjoy natin siya. By the way, I had tapa, Ken had corned beef. Chill lang tayo ng onte and a little story time. So, this is my, kita nyo ba, guys? Ayan. So, this is our, ilagay ko na lang din sa screen. So, this is our official photo as a couple. This is the first time that I introduced Ken to my parents. I can still remember this. Well, thank you then to Facebook kasi na day. So, our official anniversary is August 24, 2013. This picture was taken almost a month after that, which is September 17. So, ang tapang ko, di ba, 1 month pa lang na kami ni Ken, pinakalala ko na siya sa parents ko. So, I'm sure at that point in time, I was so nervous. Nervous because I didn't know if, number 1, tama ba itong ginagawa ko, di ba? Nagpapakilala na agad ng guy sa parents. And anong intention ko? Those were the things that were going through my mind. But what I am sure at that time is that I love Ken and I am so proud of him. I don't know kung, at that time, I don't know kung siya na ba yung forever ko, mag-work ba yung relationship namin or whatever. But something in me knew that I had to introduce him to my parents. Hala, naiyak na naman ako. Hindi pa wedding to, guys, sa story time pa lang to. Sorry, ang iyakin ko kasi talaga. So, ayun, that's one. Just like, sorry, napapatigilan ako kasi napapareminis ako. Just like me, he charmed my family effortlessly. um, alam mo yun, while kinakausap niya yung parents ko, I was about to say I knew he was the one, but it was very, very close to me saying that he's the one. You know, I'm starting to really become confident that he will be the one because, again, never ako nagpakilala ng guy sa parents ko. Ken is actually my first longest relationship. So, prior to that, you know, it was all play and date. So, I really never introduced anyone to my parents. Siguro yung guy before him, at that time I remember at that point in time, siguro yung guy before him, kung naging kami, I may have introduced him to my parents. Pero, you know, I'm just so glad that si Ken yung napakilala ko. And I'm really, hello daw anak, I'm really, Vision. So, yun, I'm just really, really glad na I did. Sorry, na-amaze lang sila kay Rin. Ang gwapo kasi ng anak ko. Diba anak, mag-cameo ka naman dito, anak. O, ayan, cameo ka naman, anak. Ayan guys, o, diba? O, that's my son. Diba? Binilog kasi siya ng vet namin kahapon. Ayun. So, in any case, guys, prepare lang ako kasi, yun nga, call time namin is 10:30. Dapat at least ready na kami. So, alam niyo naman, mabagal ako kumilos, diba? So, ayun. Punta na ako sa room, guys. And then, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, guys. So, andito na ngayon yung makeup crew natin. So, ayan, by the way, I just took a bath. And naglagay lang ako ng moisturizer. And then, sunscreen. So, ayan siya. So, pinapatuyo ko pa siya. And then, for the hair, shampoo lang yan. So, hindi ko pa siya finix. Yan. Pero binlower ko siya doon, kaya ganun siya. So, ito na sila, guys. Ayan, so this is Myrtle Salvador Events. So, ayan siya. And then, this is for our hair and makeup. Ayan, and then, andun yung mga photo and video namin sa labas. O, diba? Sila yung favorite natin na Team Fuji photographers. So, yun lang guys. Maybe we'll start na the makeup the soonest that they're ready. See you guys in a bit. Daniel, kanina ka pa. Nakakaya ka. Sorry. Daniel. Ito yung isa. Okay. Sige po. Basahin ko ba ulit? Guys, na tayo with hair and makeup. So, ayan. Of course, meron pang retouch before the actual ceremony. Pero for now, I'll get dressed na for some portraits here in our preparation venue, which is in Abagatan Tea. So, see you guys in a bit. Daniel? Diyan ka muna anak, magugulo ka lang doon. Okay, very good. Stay ka muna dyan ha anak, pahinga ka muna. Magugulo ka lang doon. Hey guys, so it's 12 noon. So ayan, so done na ako with hair and makeup. This is the first initial look. So ayan, shoot na ako ngayon for the photos. So, ayan. Hindi muna ako nag-bow tie and what have you. So, ayan. Si Ken, mini-makeupan pa. Tapos, ewan ko kung kita nyo guys, but ito yung mom ko. Ayan, siya na yung next. And then yung mga tita ko, paparating na sila. So, yun guys. Shoot lang kami. And then, I'll see you guys.
Daniel Black. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Masaya!
Hey guys, so ayan, umuulan na. Pero I'd rather ngayon siya umulan rather than later kasi it's gonna be a disaster. So, by the way, yung wedding coordinator namin sa Milton, ando na siya sa ando na siya sa venue. So, siya na yung bahala kung mag-make decision kung mag-walk pa rin ba kami doon sa aisle or doon kami sa loob ng bahay. We'll see how it goes. But in any case, tuloy ang kasal. I think that's what's more important more than anything. More photo shoot. Oh, by the way, it's anong oras ba? 2:09. So yun, it's 2:09. So ang sabi kasi, in about 30 minutes, wrap up na kami. Tapos punta na ata kami sa photo shoot. So yun, wrapping up na kami ng mga photos and videos. Tapos, more shoot pa with guys, good afternoon. So, it's day 0, it's D-Day, May 25. Time check, it's now 2:30, just a couple of hours away from our wedding. Kakaulan lang siya guys, pero rain or shine, papakasalan ko yung asawa ko. Pero that's it, I'm just really so happy and excited and grateful that, you know, a lot of people are here. I can't wait to marry Ken. I can't wait to go to the venue. What's good is that we have plan A and plan B. So, sure, kahit umulan man yan, umaraw, matutuloy siya, wala namang problema. I just hope that our guests get here safe kasi nga, well, aside from umulan, di ba, yung mga highway kasi natin is may mga ginagawa. So, ulan plus highway, I'm not sure what that's gonna look like. Pero, in any case, I'll see you guys in a bit. Punta na kami dun sa Forest Park. See you!
Yan. Comments lang kayo dyan. Okay, usap-usap. Sige, tingin doon sa malayo. Tingin doon. Sa malayo. Yan, tingin doon. Sige, action. May halik sa kamay. Akbayan mo, ano? Akbay. Ken.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So, ayan, we're done na with all of the filming dito sa Abagatan Team Manila. So, we're now going to the venue which is in the Forest Barn. So, ayan, time check, it's 3:30. We could have left, nag-clear yung skies. We could have left earlier kaso umuulan. Pero, bigla akong kinikilig kasi umuulan kanina pero looking at now, nag-clear na yung skies. So, oh my gosh, wait lang. Naiyak ako guys. Kasi baka, let's see kung mag-clear na talaga yung skies or what have you, kasi in my mind, I was already expecting na sa loob kami ng venue ikakasal, or rather sa barn, kasi kung makikita nyo nga mamaya, 'di ba? It's an outside wedding ceremony, but also at the same time meron siyang barn for business continuity purposes. Business continuity, gusto niyo. Pero for backup purposes, yun na lang. Pero nga, sana okay na ako sa gloomy, honestly guys. Okay na ako sa gloomy weather. Basta hindi lang umulan. Kasi para hindi rin mainit actually. So para hindi kami hulas for the ceremony. Pero yun, sana magtuloy-tuloy lang. Pero I'm just really so happy and excited. This is it, Pansit. In a few hours, ano na ako? Officially, Bibiana na ako. So see you guys. Drive lang kami to the venue and bye-bye.